I've done my push-ups. I've done my ab work. I've done my reading and I've done my writing. So that means I could take a power nap and then spend the rest of the day with my baby.
Intelligent.
The second agreement: don't take anything personally. Whatever happens around you, don't take it personally. When you take things personally, then you feel offended, and your reaction is to defend your beliefs and create conflicts. You make something big out of something so little because you have the need to be right and make everybody else wrong. You also try hard to be right by giving them your own opinions. In the same way, whatever you feel and do is just a projection of your own personal dream, a reflection of your own agreements. What you say, what you do, and the opinions you have are according to the agreements you have made. And these opinions have nothing to do with me. So if you've been following my journey so far in my 60 days of freaking discipline and greatness and dopeness in preparation for Tulum, you would know that I'm currently on a short-term assignment for my job away from my wife for 6 weeks. And guess what? She's here. She's figured out a way to be here. She was like, I couldn't do no more days without you. And it's only been 2 days. That's my baby. So look, this is what I had to do. I walked 2.5 miles at work after midnight. So it counts for today. I've done my push-ups. I've done my ab work. I've done my reading and I've done my writing. So that means I could take a power nap and then spend the rest of the day with my baby. Yes. Life is about multitasking. Life is about deviation. Life is about having a plan and getting it done when the plan doesn't go as planned. Who knows? Beau knows. Let's get it.
Intelligent.